Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices. They need to see each other. Once done, unlock your phone and open the file or photo you want to send. Tap the share icon and pick Nearby Share, AirDrop, or Share to PC depending on your phone. Make sure your laptop's visibility setting is set to Receive. When a connection request appears on the laptop, accept it and select the destination folder. This establishes the link, so transfer can begin immediately. Now you queue up the items. Choose single files, multiple photos, or whole albums, then tap Send. The transfer will appear as a progress indicator on both devices. If files are large, make sure the phone uses Wi-Fi transfer rather than Bluetooth, because Wi-Fi is faster and more reliable. Keep devices awake and avoid moving out of range. If the transfer stalls, pause and resume or resend the specific item. Make sure file types are supported by the receiving app on your laptop to prevent errors. To finish, verify files opened correctly and organize them into your intended folders on the laptop. You're done when everything is accessible. If something goes wrong, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices and try again. Many transient errors clear that way. If the problem persists, plug the phone into the laptop with a USB cable and use file transfer mode, or check the laptop's firewall, antivirus, and sharing permissions. These often block incoming transfers and are the single most common issue to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.